Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Robert. Well, for this video, I'm going to show you how to open Advcash account. Well, the Advcash is a very popular e-wallet all over the world. It's fantastic because it will be very convenient for you to move your money from domestic to overseas banks or brokers, so you can do investments all over the world. So this is very magic tool for us to do investments, or if you want to buy some cryptocurrencies. So it's available for cryptocurrency deposit. So that means you can deposit, you can fund your Advcash account with the crypto coins, and you can convert the cryptocurrency to fiat currency. That means you can convert cryptocurrency to US dollars or British pounds. And you can do some overseas transfers and recharge the very popular tool like Wise. And you can also have a crypto wallet so that you can put in some crypto coin in this wallet. So it will be very safe and convenient. Okay, let's go. But before this, before we continue to go with the register or account setting up, you need to find the right link. I have put this link below this video, so what you need to do is just copy the link below this video and paste it into the web browser, and then you will go to this page. You will come to this page, and on this page, you just click the blue button, like you see that is create free account now. And then we will continue to this page. On this screen, you will find that here you need to type in some personal details, like your first name, and last name, and email, and passwords. Well, take James Fisher as an example, you should put the first name James here, and put the last name Fisher in the second row. And finally, you need to drag that lock button to the right end and click the box. That means you agree with the terms, with the agreements and the terms, like as the privacy policy. Finally, just click the register button, and then what you need to do is just to check the emails the Advcash ever sent to you, and make a confirmation. After that, you can see on this page. That means you have to do the email confirmation. If you cannot get the message or the code from the Advcash, you can click the resend button. And finally, after the confirmation, there will be this page, and that means the Adv would give a message to you that is thanks, and the email is already confirmed. Now you can log into your Advcash account. Advcash accounts. Since up to now, you have own account, but there are some more steps for you to do the basic setting. Okay, let's go. And for the first, you need to get access. That means you need to prepare some documents of your own for the later steps. Firstly, you need to scan this QR code, and then you will come to this page. On this page, you need to do two things. That is, for the first is to verify the phone, and for the second is to make some confirmation about your identification. So we should do the passport and identification for the first. So we just click it on right, and then you need to choose the country of citizenship. You just click the box, and there are many options just to find your mother country origin. Okay. And on this page, after you choose the country or the region, you need to do save and click the continue button. And here is a question that are you a resident living in the USA? Well, for me, I'm not, so just click the second. I recommend that most people should choose this one, the other, if you are not the citizen of the USA. And then click the green button, agree and continue. And then you need to do some survey like this. You need to turn around your head as the message asks you to do. And then you need to scan your passport. Finally, if you have done these steps, you can see on the right side the figure. On the figure, there will be some green symbol. That means you have done all of them. After that, you need to do the phone verification. And what you need to do is just provide your phone number and type in the text message the Advcash ever sent it to you. And after that, you can see this message that is congrats, your account is now fully verified, and you can start using all the features. And then let's see how to deposit funds to the Advcash. You can, on the head of the page, you can find the deposit funds button, and then click it. We will come to this page. On this page, you could see that there are many approaches always for you to fund the Advcash, like the credit card, the Visa, MasterCard, or you can use the SCPA. Further, you can use the cryptocurrency. That is a very important approach because this is very convenient. And if you have interest about the investment of the cryptocurrency, you can use this approach. And there are many different coins you could use, like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Tron, BNB. Well, the most cheap one would be the USDT or the Tron or the Ripple. So you just choose any of them and click the deposit button. And then we will come to this page. This page is used to the currency exchange. That means you can change the US dollars to the euro currency or the British pounds. And we can also send funds to the Advcash, to Advcard, to Visa, or to bank. Usually we will use the SCPA method to send the money to the bank. Well, I will make another video to introduce about this method later. And you can also buy the crypto here when you click this button. Finally, and you can set up all crypto wallets on the left side. As you can see here on this board, you can click the plus symbol, and there will be a board for you to choose crypto coin, the BTC, the ETH, and the USDT. So you can set up many wallets here for different crypto coins. And for the final step, we can set up our two-step authentication, two-factor authentication. This is very important for your safety. So if you want to do this step, just click the account button on the head of the page, and there will be a menu, and you can see there are many options. Click the third one, the security setting, and find on the security setting page, find the third one, the third row. Here, as you can see, this is a two-factor authentication, and click the configure button. And for this page, you need to add the token to your Advcash account. So just click the configure button, and you need to download an app on your mobile phone. The name of the app is Protectiveness. Scan this QR code, use your mobile phone, and you will download the app. And then you could find that there are some figures, 6 digits on the app, and then just type in the 6 digits here in this box. And finally, it's done. And for next time, if you want to log into your Advcash account, you need to type in the 6 digits, and it will be much more safe for you to protect your account. Okay, just like this. If you log in your Advcash account for next time, you need to type in the 6 digits here. Okay, that's all the process for us to open an Advcash account. Well, for the next video, I'm going to show you how to deposit or fund the Advcash account with a cryptocurrency. Or if you like this video, you can follow our channel and thumbs up. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Have a good day.